What is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to this channel. I am super excited for you to be here. As always, hit that like button. My name is Dominick Barbato, and in this video, we are going to be talking about what it's like to grow, operate, and scale a vending business beyond 6 figures in just under 10 years. I've been doing this business since the age of 18. I am 28 years old. So in October of this year will be my 10th anniversary owning, operating, and running a vending machine business to multiple 5 figures per month. I swear 10 years ago, 11 years ago, I was on YouTube Googling how to start a vending business. What do I do? What's the best process for me to jump into this business with the little amount of money I had at 17 years old, 18 years old? In this video, I kind of want to break down the last 10 years for you, and in a way of telling you how to do it as well. I think the most important part with vending business, if you want to cut down your time or the amount of time it takes to get your first location, is to just go out there and start talking to leads, start talking to new businesses. There's new businesses opening every day. I don't care where you live. There's always something new happening where you could place a machine potentially, or talk to someone who may be able to get you a machine placed. I know across the entire world, there are buildings being built, new offices that need services, new warehouses that need machines. And it's just a matter of finding these accounts as quickly as possible if you want to start the business. You need to find your location as quick as possible, worry about everything else after. Obviously, figure out a name, figure out what products, what types of machines. And that kind of just pivots into the next point, which is like, I always stress this, is like, everyone's like, oh, I want to start a vending business. Sometimes people don't know what they even mean by that. Some people think, oh, I want to start a crane business, or vending machines, or ATMs, or snack machines, or drink machines. There's a variety of machines. I couldn't name them all, even if I tried to name all the types of vending machines that exist out there. But me personally, I started with 12 used junk Vendstar 3000 machines. These Vendstar machines, if you look them up, it actually was a Ponzi scheme. I didn't know this. I bought these on the secondary market, used machines, beat up, 440 bucks, had to clean them. It was good, whatever. Got my first 2 machines in the first month, making 100 bucks a month. But after that, to get the next 10, it took me almost a year to get all of those placed. And that's really when the momentum picked up, because now I was making almost $1,000 in the first year. And then from that, I wanted to grow into the bigger machines, but I realized the smartest way to do that was with toy machines and gumball machines. At the time, you could get a gumball for 4 cents. I think gumballs now are 6 cents. So the price went up. But I digress from this just to explain how you should start is how you want to finish. For me, it was tough because I got out there, I located over 150 bulk vending machines, toy machines, crane machines, stuff like that. But then I realized I want to be in the full line, because full line, it's more lucrative. It's a full size income. That's what they say in the industry, full line, full size income, blah, blah, blah. But you can make a full size income with toy machines, ATMs, crane machines, arcade machines, anything. Just depends what you want to do. So make sure you know which part of this business you're getting into, who you need to contact, which was the first thing we spoke about. And the next big thing over the last 10 years is managing inventory and being able to get the inventory out as soon as it comes in. Because in this business, it's basically for soda and snack predominantly, I'd say, obviously toy machines too, it's turnover. You need to go to machines and see those coils empty, and you need to have quick turnover. From a coil being empty to it being filled has to be the quickest time possible, because if it's the longer time, you're losing money every minute those coils are empty. And this is something that took me many years being in the full line business to really capitalize on, is once a coil, 2 coils, 3 coils are empty, you need to get out there and you need to start loading those machines up and having them filled, because that's how you make money in this business. You don't make money by having a vending machine empty. No vending machine looks good when it has no product in it. You need to fill those machines, fill them get them loaded, and you're going to make more money. You'll see. And in the terms of money, making more money, I'll tell you this right now, and definitely stay to the end because I have something exciting to talk about. But Nayax processors also revolutionized my business. I swear, once I added these devices, it must have added 30 or 40% to my bottom line. And even to this day, almost 80% of my vending business, credit cards. So I get a deposit once a week. Nayax.com. You can click the link down below. I get some, you can get some discounts with our code down below. Get some devices, get some of these devices if you already have machines, get them loaded up and put some MDB on your vending machines, have the credit cards working. You're going to make more money. You're going to be more successful because it's an all-in-one platform for you to manage your machines, your products, your inventory levels, any types of failures with the machines. You have the notifications in the app, and I highly recommend Nayax credit card processors. So that is super exciting. And I think the next thing, really, it's probably 2 more things I would say that are important over the last 10 years that I've learned that has substantially helped my business. And the next thing, in terms of, Nayax controls the back end. On the front end of that, the last mile delivery, they call it, of getting your product to your vending machines needs to be systemized, because if you're going to Sam's Club and you're going to BJ's and you're going here and you're getting all these different products and all the time and miles you're wasting to get the products for one machine can be summed up by going straight to the source, straight to the distributor, having it shipped to your warehouse or your house, and taking all that product to the location. If you could see the picture here, you're saving a lot of time by being able to get all your stuff in one place instead of going everywhere to get the sales and the deals. Sometimes it makes more sense. Pay the extra 5 cents, pay the extra 10 cents, and go straight to the source so that you have it all in one place. And this honestly revolutionized everything, because I was running out of time with my business, or at least it seemed, let's be honest, it seemed that way. And then I started systemizing some things, figuring out things with my machines, putting credit card processors on everything, having planograms, and now it's like, I need more machines. You know, I want more and more, because it's so systemized that to place a machine, put a credit card reader on it and fill it up is so much easier than it was 10 years ago, because back then I didn't know what was going in each coil, where I was going to get this stuff. I didn't know how much was in it, how much was empty. So a lot of things to kind of keep in mind. And I do feel like I'm throwing a lot out at you. So let's take a break from the last thing. And I just want to mention again, guys, we are opening up 10 spots. So in the last YouTube video, I opened up 10 spots to my inner circle. And honestly, the support has been pretty good, but still, I know people want to start a vending business. They want someone to hold their hand. I'm not going to really hold your hand, but I'm going to be there for you on calls weekly, and also with our team and our community, pushing you, keeping you accountable to start and grow your vending business. So if you want to apply, you have to apply and talk to one of our team members, my buddy Andres. Click the link down below, apply. Only 10 spots for this month, so make sure you check that link out. But back to the last tip, guys, I think the most important thing too is having a website. That was the biggest success that I had for my business, and I started doubling my business every year since. And it's been that way, basically for the last 5 years. I've doubled my vending business every year. And not to say it's 100% because of the website, but because you have a presence online, it's not normal. A lot of vending companies, they didn't really adapt well to the times. I'm sure now it's different than it was a couple of years ago, but have a website, guys, have a nice logo, have a nice polo, business card, stuff like that, and be presentable when you talk to these businesses, when you talk to these people, because it's the most important part of this business is your professionalism. We're in the sales business, and I hope you get out there and go sell some vending equipment. And if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for being a part of this community over the last 4.5 years. I'm excited to grow this channel for the next decade of my life. So yes, comment that you've been an OG, comment that you've been watching the videos for a day, a week, or you just found me. Nice to meet you. And again, if you want to apply to work directly with me and have me right behind you, holding your hand while you grow your vending business, click the link down below. And I will see you in the next video here soon.